Ever see a cool car or a hot motorcycle and wonder what it's like to own that bad boy? Well, here on the show, we most certainly have, and we decided to find out. Here's life with the Kawasaki Ninja 650.
I'm riding the Kawasaki Ninja 650R 2011 model. I wasn't really expecting a lot out of it, but it's the best all-rounder, at least that I have ridden so far. So actually I can do my track days, I can do my street riding with these, so it's a perfect all-rounder, I would say. It was not really the need of the hour, but I wanted to make my bike a little different. I have a power commander in it, I have the auto tune which automatically tunes the bike as per the riding conditions. Then I have clutch springs in it. Most importantly, there are a lot of safety features that has been built in, like the brake lines. Because the Kawasaki, this is one sore thought about this bike is the brakes are not all that great. So we've upgraded the brake lines and the brake pads to the sintered ones. So these are better performance in terms of giving us bite in terms of braking. Basically the handle position, it's like sitting on a chair. So you're like a king. You just sit on the chair and you relax. So you can punch up miles like nobody's business. It's really fun. Yeah, there are scary moments as well. So basically what happened was there's a huge pothole which we didn't realize because it was covered with water. So happened to bottom my suspension on it. There was a bad head shake, but came out of it. But that was scary, yes. Probably if I would have had ABS on my bike, could have helped me better. Thankfully, I live in New Bombay, so for me, we go out to Lonavala and Charuti on the Gujarat Highway and to Manas on the Nasik Highway. So these are destinations which are about an hour, hour and a half or 2 hours at the most drive. So usually start off early at 5:30 and be back home by 10. Yeah, almost all the time. So they are primarily they are very curious to see what the bike is about because it looks different. So they stop us to check. Okay, it's a different bike. How much capacity it is and all that. But yes, all the time, if we are wearing safety gear, they tend to feel that we are racing. So we get pulled up for that as well. The most important question is kitna deti hai? So that is a question which is there. Then you have how many cc's, how many cylinders it is. So firing kaisa hai? So the exhaust note is something which they love it, and probably on the 650 they do not appreciate that much because it's not an inline four. So we've been to Curry recently, that's in Coimbatore, and it was a different experience because I did my track days earlier on a smaller bike. This time I did it on the 650 and it felt much different and much better on the track. So it is fun, and I actually wish to ride on tracks more than on street, so I'm gonna tend towards that. I have done max out on this bike on a drag strip. Yeah, I did about 220 kilometers per hour. That's the max that it goes. That is only after a lot of modifications. Otherwise, as a stock, she would do 210, 215 very easily, I think.
And that was our show for this week. We've had a great time making it. We hope you've had a good time watching. Remember, you can catch the entire episode online at timesnow.tv or youtube.com. Till next week then, ciao and take care.